Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to learn how to add your favorite driver in the Uber app. And this is because if you want to travel with the same driver that has been providing you with good services. So basically how to start this is that open the Uber app, okay? Let it launch. After let it being launched, here you can see this is the whole user interface. Now basically what you have to do is click on this search bar, and after clicking on this search bar, here you can see where do you want to go, what is your current location. So basically you need to set your location from where do you want to go and where you want to be. And this is how actually this works, is that if I pull this Ayan's home, so now I can see this map available, and also that there are cars and bikes which are available for me to travel with. Now basically what I need to do is just register the Uber which I want to go with and where I want to travel. Once the driver will appear after registering this, choose Uber and one driver will be designated to you. After designation of that Uber driver, you need to travel with him, and after this, a rating section will appear on your phone like this, and here you need to give him stars or give him the rating which you want to give him. After that, this is showing an option of add as favorite and give a compliment. You can give a compliment if you want to. Also, here now on click on this add as favorite option. Now next time whenever you want to go somewhere, you can simply search from your saved drivers and use that driver to go anywhere. Thank you for watching. This was it for this tutorial. See you in the next one.